Hey travelers. So for me, renting a bike or a four-wheeler or a scooter on a vacation is the key to a freedom day. It's one of my favorite things to do on a vacation just because it gives you the freedom to roam a little bit further away without dealing with taxis and Ubers back and forth. And you definitely don't want to have to rent a car in certain locations. Most recently, we rented a four-wheeler and we saw all of Santorini in one day. So here are some tips for renting a four-wheeler in Santorini. Number one, if you plan on renting a four-wheeler for multiple days, make sure when you're booking your house or your hotel that they have parking. Parking is very limited on the island and it can be very pricey. Number two, find a company that will bring the four-wheelers to you. That is awesome because it saves you a lot of time and of course dealing with all the cabs back and forth, right? Because then you have to go and drop it off and get a cab back to your hotel or to your house. The company we used in Santorini actually did this for free. It wasn't an additional fee or anything, and it was Moto Santorini. I'll put their information below just in case you want to book them. Number three, do not fall for extra insurance. We made this mistake. We knew how much the rental was supposed to be, but then when we were on site getting it, he goes, "Oh, insurance? Just question." And we said, "Of course we want insurance." Well, that was an extra $20 right there. We didn't really know that it was an extra fee. We ended up having more insurance than we needed because there was basic insurance already in the fee of the rental. Number four is plan your day in advance. You can get completely swept up in one location in Santorini and never move and your whole day just kind of melts away. And if that's your plan, then fine, don't worry about it. But if you want to see a lot of things that day, or maybe 3 or 4 things and really kind of enjoy them, plan your day in advance. Now, number five is navigation, and this was huge for us. It made our day super smooth. The way I did this is I dropped into a map all of our locations and based them on distance from where we were. I made a complete circle that led us right back to our hotel. And then I put an ear pod in my ear, put my helmet on top, and I let Siri lead the way. It was perfect. I will be using this for so many trips from now on. And number six, I know it's weird to have an odd number. Well, 6 is actually more even than 5, but everyone always does 5. But 6, you have 6 tips. Number 6, you will need an international driver's license. That sounds intimidating, but it is not a test. You do not have to go and test something. You do not have to wait 30 or 60 days for it to come back. You literally go to the AAA office. This is for the Americans. I honestly do not know what the case is for those coming from like Canada or the Caribbean, but coming from the US, you need an international license. It costs $20 at the AAA office, and they do it while you wait. It's very smooth. All right, well, I think that's everything. You guys enjoy Santorini. Enjoy your four-wheeler day. So jealous, want to go back already, but
that's how we get it done. That's how we get it done. Fly, GBA, that's how we get it done.